Movement 3. Concentrate the qi in yin-yang. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Slightly bend the knees and squat a little. Relax the hands and point to the ground. Start with the right hand. Draw the half circle of yin-yang with the right hand back of the hand facing up. When the right hand reaches the top of the circle, the left hand starts to draw the half circle of yang of the yin-yang. Be conscious and concentrate the qi in yin-yang. Draw 10 yin-yang in total. Movement 4. Qigong blocks the way. Resume the qi palms. Tap on the ground with feet. Slowly turn the upper body together with the qi palms 90 degrees to the left. Bend the left knee and raise the thigh slowly up to the waist level. Stretch out the calf slowly and put the right. Bend the left knee and raise the thigh slowly up to the waist level. Stretch out the calf slowly. Then put the left foot down on the ground. Reach out the left hand slowly with the palm facing down. Lower the right hand slowly, then raise it up from behind. Relax the wrist when reaching the top. Bend the left knee while straightening the right one. Both feet remain on the ground. Look to the left. This posture is called Qigong blocks the way. Keep a smile on the face. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Count 10 seconds in the head. Return the left foot to the original position. Turn the torso back to face the front and resume the qi palms. Tap on the ground with the feet. Slowly turn upper body together with the qi palms 90 degrees to the right. Bend the right knee and raise the thigh slowly up to the waist level. Stretch out the calf slowly and put the right foot down on the ground. Reach out the right hand slowly with the palm facing down. Lower the left hand slowly and raise it up from behind. Relax the wrist while reaching the top. Bend the right knee while straightening the left one. Both feet remained on the ground. Look to the right. This posture is called Qigong blocks the way. Keep a smile on the face. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Count 10 seconds in the head. Return the right foot to the original position. Turn the torso back to face the front and resume the qi palms.